A road trip. And we're taking the new Chevy Traverse that has supreme style and space for packing on a festive day trip from Chicago to Milwaukee. But before we head north, here's what a travel expert does not leave home without.
So first off, this bag I do not go anywhere without. This is my Low & Sons backpack, and it has incredible compartments for anything that you need. It's got an amazing pocket for your laptop, and it's just very durable, and it fits so much. Next is I always bring one of these, almost like a disposable tote bag you can take with you to the beach if you end up going shopping and you buy too much stuff that you can't really bring back with you. This way you always have an extra bag for whatever you need. It's something that you can just throw and go. All right, next, never leave home without my drone. This is my DJI Spark drone, which is so compact. It's, incredibly tiny. Look at that. But this is great for just getting some great travel shots. So if you're traveling a lot, if you want to get some amazing photography, but maybe you're not a professional, this is great for a novice, a beginner, or even a professional, because it's really compact, but it also takes great quality video and photos. Next, I always bring a pre-packed medical kit that has everything you could possibly need in it. It has like emergency medication, it has first aid stuff, but whether you're indoors, whether you're on a plane, you're in a car that's blasting AC, you always need some sort of cozy layering item of clothing that's gonna really help keep you warm. Finally, a must for any road trip is a great playlist. I love using Apple Music, and I just build a playlist on here. It's good to go, perfect for a road trip. Get some of those awesome road tripping songs on there. Mix in some country music, some rock music, whatever you're into. Get the playlist going. It'll keep you company the whole road trip. And last but not least, I personally never go anywhere without my full, amazing ETR TV crew.
Okay, all packed up. But are you wondering what we have planned for today? Yes, fall is finally here, but did you know that you don't have to wait until October or travel to Germany to experience the Oktoberfest fun? Milwaukee hosts Germanfest in July every year, which is only a little over an hour drive away from Chicago. And here's a pro road trip tip. I have a favorite pit stop about halfway there. It's the Mars Cheese Castle, and trust me, you cannot miss it. But sometimes you might want to stop on your way back so all of that good cheese you buy stays fresh.
Willkommen to Germanfest. We made it all the way up to Milwaukee, Wisconsin. We're here on the amazing Summerfest grounds, which houses many incredible festivals throughout the year, including, of course, Germanfest. We're going to explore amazing German food, activities, and, of course, music all along Milwaukee's gorgeous lakefront.
Oh, there's all the traditional German music and dancing and food you can shake a strudel at. And speaking of strudel...
This is so good. This is like fresh baked, family, homemade, amazing cherry strudel. Not some typical festival food where you go there and you get that, pre-made stuff that is just not good. This is homemade, you could tell. It's hot, it's fresh, it's so good.
And of course, the fun doesn't stop there. If you want to go Stein shopping, well, you're in luck. And since my outfit wasn't lederhosen-y enough, I thought maybe it was time for an upgrade. So once again, why go all the way to Germany when you can enjoy a Bavarian pretzel along the shores of Lake Michigan? All right, it's finally time to say Auf Wiedersehen to Milwaukee and Germanfest and take my Traverse back home. What a joyride it's been again with Chevy Drive Chicago.